Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of finding your TSP account number. This is a crucial 13-digit identifier necessary for managing your thrift savings plan account. Let's dive right in. Now, step 1. The easiest way to locate your TSP account number is by checking your quarterly or annual account statements. You can find this number prominently displayed on the front page of each statement. So go ahead and pull out your latest TSP statement to see if it's there. Step 2. If you don't have a physical copy of your statement handy, don't worry. You can find your account number online. First, open your web browser and go to tsp.gov. Now, head to the step 3. Once on the TSP website, click on the sign in button. Enter your username and password. If you haven't set up your My Account login yet, you will need to follow the on-screen instruction to create your credentials. Step 4. After logging in, navigate to the My Account section. Here you will find various details about your account, including your account number. Make sure to note it down for future reference. Step 5. If you are unable to find your account number in your statements or online, you can contact Thriftline at 1-877-968-3778. The representatives there can assist you in retrieving your account number by mailing it to your registered address. Now, before we wrap up, a quick reminder. Always keep your login credentials secure and ensure that your contact information is up to date in your TSP account settings. This helps you in safeguarding your account and ensuring you receiving all necessary updates. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.